Hi and welcome back to another video, and it's Weird Game Wednesday, and this is a game where you click a scratch card and it gives you money, and you click on cats that randomly walk by and they give you stuff. And there are missions, like the mission that says Scratch Lottery that I just beat. I got diamonds for it. And now the mission says Catch a Cat, which I can't do because that cat I just used. And you can buy part-time jobs where it does the work for you. It just doesn't get the reward. You have to click on that. So it takes 1 minute to get it. If you click in it and the button in 1 minute, then it's saving time. If you click on it in 2 minutes, then it's wasting a minute. And there is a wheel that you spin, and it gives you stuff when you land on that thing. Oh, I got $4.8 quintillion. And you can buy items, so I have all that stuff. And this is the stuff I have right now. A high-tech desk, a 3D smart TV, a quantum computer, a diamond decorative, a celadum, a mental breakdown. Maybe it's a picture, it looks like that. A statue of beauty, a cyborg maid, which looks like Iron Man, and a yacht. Then once you buy all of these, you need to buy the red spoon to scratch your lottery tickets with. Then you move to the moon and buy all that stuff. Then you buy that, and you go to Mars and buy all that stuff, and you can buy different lottery tickets. So there's a lot of stuff in this game, but there's not much stuff in this game. I'm just talking and making it sound like it's a hard game. This game is called Hit the Jackpot. And this game is so very fun. One time I had this game, and then when that stupid iPad glitch happened, the password glitched, and I had to reset the iPad. I lost this game, and it was my favorite game. So I was just scrolling through the Play Store a year or two later after I lost it, and I finally found it. Then my cousin obviously downloads it. That's what I said. My cousin obviously downloads it and then has to compete with me at everything, and he's already on the moon. I installed this game before him and play it time to time. I play it often, and the day he downloads it, he's probably already to this mansion. Really, he's already at the moon. In 1 week, he's at the moon. In 1 month, I'm only at the mansion. He's addicted to video games and YouTubing. How does he have less videos than me but more subscribers? And I'm the one who doesn't copy him on everything. Oh yeah, I know how he has more subscribers. He told me he went to Sprint and logged in on all their iPads, then subscribed to himself. What a good YouTuber he is. Now everyone who likes that stupid copyright cousin is gonna be hating me in the comments and saying, no, he didn't do that, you're just making that up. I'm not making that up. He told me that. He really did tell me that. So, he's the hacker. He copies my videos like the flubber meme. Then he goes to Sprint and subscribes to himself. This game is very fun, and I am just talking about random stuff now because I have nothing else to talk about, and I just want the video not to be silent. So, actually, I have something to talk about. My cousin, in one of my videos, I said I don't want to unplug the headphones, although that's the way people can hear it. That's what I said in one of the videos, and then my cousin goes down in that exact same video, just turn it up! Okay, I'll turn the volume all the way. Ow, that hurt my ears, so I took off my headphones. But can you hear it now? I turned it all the way up. Can you hear it? No, that proves my cousin's wrong. Now I'm gonna put the headphones back on so I can turn down the volume. Okay, restart that sentence. I'm going to turn the headphones down. Yeah. I'm going to turn the volume down so now I can hear stuff without my ears bleeding. Oh wow, I just got that painting. Wow. A beautiful girl likes you. It's weird. Every 1,000 popularity right here, you get beautiful girls like you. So, obviously, I just got to 2,000, but my cousin already at 3,000. Yeah, he's really addicted to video games. But I go outside once in a while and go on the trampoline for a few minutes, then come back in and go on video games for another hour, then go on my bike for a few minutes, then go on the iPad the rest of the night. I spend so much time outside, don't I? Yeah, I'm addicted. But he's more addicted. He gets to the moon in a week, and I have this game for a month, and I only have the mansion, which I'm in right now. I need to talk about random stuff so I can break up the silence. Oh yeah, and here's how I make you people hear the sound of the game. I unplug the headphones, then turn it up because I have my volume down when I unplug the headphones. But there, can you hear it now? Now there's so much more stuff to hear. And when I go really fast, it has epic music. Woo! Oh yeah, I just got a cat, and the cat gave me double the amount of money I get from the lottery every time, and I just finished that achievement, and now the achievement is earning money, and I get gems for that. Gems are good, and the mission is earning money, which is also good. How is that a mission? It's like you getting money for earning money in real life. You're just working, and every minute you get money. Here, have some more money. That's really what this game's like. Okay, I have more part-time jobs that need to be collected. And now I will keep scratching this lottery ticket. And now look at the Look at the pirate. Look at the pirate. I still can't say it right. Look at the prices of this stuff. Wow, I need 1.4 AA, which is the thing after quintillion. The number after quintillion. So I am going to keep clicking, although I'm not gonna fit all time into the video because I'm only at 108 quintillion. I have to get to 1.4 AA. So basically 1,000 $1,000 billion. So it's a quintillion times 1,000. 1,000 millions are a billion. 1,000 billions are a trillion. 1,000 trillions are a quadrillion. 1,000 quadrillions are quintillion. 1,000 quintillions are... Really, this game just made up the number AA. So really, 1,000 quintillions are a sextillion. 1,000 sextillions are 1,000 septillions. 1,000 septillions is the number after septillion. Yeah, I'm a nerd. Oh yeah, there are also special prizes you can win. Like the first prize is 4.43 quintillion. The second prize is 1.11 quintillion. The third place prize is 295 quadrillion. Oh yay, the song ended. Now, oh yeah, you can also buy your friends because people say you can't buy friends / love. But really in this game you can. Look, buying. Wow, I bought a friend. And the friends earn money for me because that's how rich I am. I buy friends. And that's a good place to end the video. No, it isn't. We want to watch more of you. It's never a good place to end the video. That's what my real fans are saying, but I have no real fans because I don't know. I have 12 subscribers. Those are all my fans. But anyway, my videos can't go for more than 15 minutes, and it's 14 minutes. If it goes above 15 minutes, then it's broken and YouTube bans it. So, bye!